Kindly subscribe to Ideas Dome YouTube channel like this. Also, click on the notification bell. With this free tool, you can send mass emails using your regular Gmail account. That is, you can send to multiple persons on your Gmail. Each person on your email list will receive your email without showing the list of other recipients. So it's personalized. This is useful when you are yet to start using a paid service for your email marketing. So this is a free tool you can use. Let's get started. On your Chrome browser, type Chrome Web Store. Chrome Web Store. So you click on Chrome Web Store. This will take you to the Chrome Web Store. Next, search for GMAS. GMAS. GMAS Powerful Mail. You click on it. Next, you add to Chrome. Let's do that. You click on Add Extension. I'll take you to a new page. Yes, it means it has now been added to your Gmail account. If you've not connected your Gmail account, all you have to do is to log in to your Gmail account. Now let's test it out. Let's send an email to multiple people. So I'm going to be sending this email to this person. So let me call this testing. And this is the body testing. We're just testing this out. Now remember, the goal of this is when the person receives it, he is not going to see other recipients. Okay, let's add one more. So this is our test email. So this is the regular Gmail button, but this time we've connected it to GMAS by just logging into a Gmail account. So instead of clicking on the send button, click on the GMAS button instead. So let's do that. Oh, it says you must connect GMAS to your Google account for this to work. So let's do that. So I'm going to connect my GMAS to this account. Allow. And that's it. We've successfully linked our GMAS. Good. You can see your Gmail account and browser are now connected to GMAS. So let's click on the GMAS button. So it's wow, beautiful. GMAS has processed your mass email. That's my email alert I'm getting. You can hear the notification bell. 4 emails have been sent. So let's take a look. Let's see how it appears. This is one of the accounts where I sent the test email to. So let's open it. That's delivered. Can you see it? Wow, beautiful. Can you see it? Only this one receiver, this one recipient is shown here. All others aren't shown, which is what we want to achieve. Let's look at the others. This is another Gmail we sent to. It is also delivered here. Let's do the same thing. Let's check if we can see other recipients. No, just the email we sent to. So you can see each of our recipients receives a personalized email. It doesn't show other recipients. So that's it, guys. If you find this tutorial useful, please like and subscribe below. Till next time, guys, stay awesome.